AI is basically a science which should be accessible to all. My name is Tanmoy Chakraborty. I am a Rajiv Khimani Young Faculty Chair Professor in AI, and I'm an Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering and Yardi School of Artificial Intelligence. I lead a group called LCS2, Laboratory for Computational Social Systems at IIT Delhi. I primarily work broadly in the area of language technology, natural language processing, specifically designing AI models that would be accessible, affordable, and cost-effective. If you look at tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, these models are so large that for common people like us, right, or startups, or let's say healthcare workers or doctors, for them, it is very difficult to deploy these large AI models. When it comes to training these kind of models for a specific application, they don't have access to large GPUs, right? So what we do is that we build small models, we develop algorithms, we develop different types of computational techniques so that we make these small models, intelligent. All sorts of applications that you can think of where LLMs can be used, you can also use SLMs. So another beauty of this small language model is that you can easily use this in your edge devices like mobile, laptop, iPad. You also can train these models in an intelligent way so that these models do not need access to the internet. You can do all sorts of tasks that you can think of. We are building AI tools for therapists, for psychologists, right, to take therapeutic sessions easily. The patient needs to go through history taking session, and then actual diagnosis, and then prescription, then follow-ups, and so on. And there are some stages doctors feel that doctors' involvement is less needed. Maybe an AI can do that job. There should always be a human in the loop, doctor in the loop, who will basically observe the entire process. The entire therapy session will take place through Indian languages, and the entire session will be recorded by the robot. The session will be summarized by the robot, and that summary will be given to the doctor for further assessment. So we are collaborating with AIIMS Delhi and NIMHANS Bangalore, and there are other AIIMS also who are part of our network. Future of AI is something which is very unpredictable. I think a lot of opportunities, but at the same time there are a lot of problems also that we need to address together. Google, IBM, Microsoft, Adobe. In the past you also had grants from LinkedIn, right, and Facebook also, Meta also, to build different types of small language models. And we are also working with government agencies. We have a project from DRDO, we have a project from MeitY, we also have a project from ANRF, so we are also collaborating with them.